Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Sunny Starscout. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the nose. Let's draw a line over and then curve it down at the end. Next, let's add the nostrils with two small curves. Let's draw the eyes next, starting with the right side. From on top of the nose, let's curve it up towards the right like this. And then a U-curve above for the shape of the eye. Next, let's move over to the left and draw the shape of the left eye. So let's draw a curve up, and then a curve above it. Next, inside the right eye, let's draw a circle towards the inside. And then in the left eye, we're going to draw a large circle in the center. Next, inside each of these circles, let's draw a smaller one in the top left. And then add the pupil in the center with a black circle. Lastly, for the eyes, let's add an eyelash on the bottom left corner. And the same thing on the left eye. Next, let's add the eyebrows above each eye with the curve. Next, let's add the mouth underneath the nose with the curve. Next, let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start above on the right side, and we're going to draw a curve down to the eye. Now from the bottom of the eye, let's curve it out for the cheek and then back in for the chin. Now let's move over to the top left, and we're going to draw a piece of hair. So we'll start above the eyebrow here and draw a curve down. And then another curve to close off the other side. Next, above this piece of hair, let's draw her ear. Let's start with a curve down like this, and then one more down to close it off. And lastly, one more curve inside. Let's draw the hair on top of the head now. Let's start above in between the eyes, and we're going to draw a curve down. And then from the top, let's curve it over to the right and back down. Next, let's draw another curved piece of hair on the right of this one. And then another one on the left. Now let's close off the top of the head with a curve on the left side. And then let's continue this on the right with a small curve out. Next, let's close off the top of the head. On the top right, let's draw a curve down here. And then from the top, let's bring it up and then curve it over to the left like this. And then one more curve over to the ear. Next, let's draw the rainbow pattern inside her hair. From the top of the head, let's draw a curve down like this. And then 3 more curves next to it. Next, in the piece of hair in the center below it, let's draw 2 curves inside. Let's take a pause on the hair for now, and we'll come back to it after we draw the body. Next, let's draw her neck. Let's start under the piece of hair on the left, and we're going to curve it in and then back down like this. Let's draw the other side now. Let's move over under the head, and let's draw a curve down and then curve it in at the bottom. Next, we're going to draw the bag around her neck. Let's start inside on the right, and we'll draw a curve over like this. And then another parallel curve underneath. And now let's curve it off at the end. And inside, let's draw a small circle. Next, let's draw the top of the bag with an angled rectangle shape on the left side. Now from the bottom right corner, let's draw a curve down like this. And the same thing on the left. Next, let's connect these lines. And then one more angle on the right side. Next, on top of the bag, let's draw an angle for the other strap. And lastly, let's add a small star inside. Next, let's continue the body starting with the first leg. Next to the body line, let's draw an angled line down like this. Now hop over to the left and let's draw a small angle in. Then from the bottom, let's curve it out and back in like this. And now let's close off the bottom with a curve. Let's draw the next leg now on the right. Start on the side here, and we're going to draw a curve down. And the other side of the leg to the left. And now close off the bottom with a curve. Let's hop back up now, and we're going to continue that same body line on the left like this. Now from the end, let's hop up slightly and let's draw a curve down. Next, let's move back up on top of the bag. From on top of the bag here, let's draw a curve over to the left and back down. Now from that inside line, let's angle it down and to the left. And then from the outside line, let's bring it out to the left and then down like this. And then again a curve at the bottom to close it off. Let's draw the last leg now behind. Let's start underneath the body here and draw a curve down. And then a line straight down. And then to the left, let's draw the other side of the leg with a curve down. And again, close off the bottom. Next, at the bottom of each leg, let's draw a curve down, up, and then back down like this. Now let's do the same thing on the other 3 legs. Next, let's draw the symbol on the back of her body. To the left of the bag, let's draw a star shape / slightly behind the bag like this. Next, we're going to draw a moon behind this one. So we'll start with a curve here next to the star, and then another curve down to close it off. Now that we've done the body, we can finish off our hair now. Let's hop back up to the top next to the ear, and let's draw a curve down like this. Now from the bottom, let's angle it down to the top of the body. Now let's hop over to the right side under her face, and we're going to draw a curve down like this. Now underneath this line, let's start with the body, and we're going to draw a curve out and then back in. And then inside this section, let's draw 2 curves. And let's draw one more of these pieces below, like this. And then underneath this one, let's draw a curved oval shape. And now inside this section, let's draw 2 curves across again. Next, underneath this one, a small curve here. Then on the bottom left, let's draw a curve out, and then another curve down and in. And then from the bottom, let's curve it up towards the leg. Now let's hop back up on the top right, and we're going to draw a curve down. And then one curve at the bottom to close it off. And lastly, for this piece of hair, let's draw 3 curves inside like this. Lastly, let's add the tail on the left. From the left side of the body, we're going to draw a large curve up and back down like this. And then the same thing underneath. And that's it for Sunny. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!